This video is not for the students who want to boost their score from 50 to 60. This is for the students who want to upgrade their score from 80 to 90, those who are struggling for PR or those who want to seek admission in renowned universities. What if I told you that mastering listening skills is the easiest task in your PT exam? Yes, you heard it right, the easiest. Now, for those who are appearing in PTE core, they often struggle in one or the other part of the listening. But just with the few key strategies, you can fly through this section very easily, and I'm going to tell you all the strategies in this video. So if you often missed out your points just because of some silly mistakes or of the fast-paced audios, then stick around. In this video, I'm going to telling you some of the hacks that will really help you to boost your score in listening skills. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Renu, ex-professor and now your PTE coach. In this video, we will learn about some of the listening strategies to boost your score from 80 to 90. Recently, many of my students have applied these strategies in their PTE core examination and they have achieved their target scores. And I hope it works for you as well. Before we move ahead, kindly consider subscribing my channel PTE with Renu. And if you want any personalized help, you can WhatsApp me. The link is given in the description of this video. So let's start with one of the common mistakes. I often see that students forget that listening is not just about hearing, it is also about predicting. I know it sounds odd, but let us think it in this way. Imagine you are watching a suspense movie and you are already guessing what would happen next. This is exactly what you need to do in your listening section. You are not just passively waiting for your answer, but you are guessing it. Now, how to master in this way? Is it possible that I can predict the answers? Yes, you can. Here's the trick. Just as the audio starts, you start analyzing like what kind of audio it is and what is going to happen next. What kind of information I'm looking for? A number, a date, a reason, or something else. This makes your brain laser focused when the audio plays. For example, in the fill in the blank task, if the sentence says the conference will be held on dash, so you already know that the listening choice for this could be a day or a date. So when you predict what's coming, you are ready to catch the prey and bam, you get your answer. This is how you have logged in that point effortlessly. Now, second most important thing is the power of note taking. Not simply note taking, but smarter note taking. I have seen students scribble down everything, but they miss the actual answers. That's not how you do it. You need to be strategic. Only write down what's critical, only details that are essential, some dates, some locations, or some specific point. If you try to note down everything, you are drawn into the stuff and nothing specific comes out of that. For example, in the highlight correct summary, the goal is to quickly jot down the major points instead of trying to capture every word. Just focus on the key phrases like the main reason, the result, the argument. In this way, you are always ahead of the curve. So see how easy is that? You are not just lost into gathering the information. You are playing detective. You are looking for like gathering clues and solving the mystery as you go. Now the third important hack in your journey from 80 to 90. Speed is your friend, but precision is your key. The PT listening section moves fast, but the secret here is you don't have to be panicked. Make speed your friend by focusing on key points. A lot of students rush and trip their answers. They listen too fast, miss a keyword, and they suddenly drop their answer. But not you. You will be different. You need to be precise for doing that. Now, how I can be precise? Let's take an example right from dictation task. See, the trick here is to catch the first few words and the last few words perfectly. If you get this, you can fill in the middle words easier because your brain reconstructs the missing elements of the sentence. It is like filling a puzzle where you already have two corner pieces. Now, the first important hack is to avoid distraction. You need to be laser focused on your task. The biggest trap in listening section is getting distracted by the irrelevant information. The exam is designed to trip you up with unnecessary details. Just tune out from all the fluff and stay focused on the answer that you need. Let's apply this hack on the multiple choice questions. Now the audio gives you a tons of information, but only a fraction over here is relevant. If the question asks what was the main reason of the experiment failure, in that case, side effects or positive outcomes, they are distractions because you don't have to find out the side effects or the positive distractions. You simply have to focus on the main reason of the experiment failure. So you need to join in on the word failure because that is your keyword and block out the rest. Now I know what you are thinking. But Renu, if I panic or miss something, or what if I can't keep with the fast pace even after these strategies? But here's what you need to know. Confidence comes with practice. The more you apply these strategies, the sharper you become. I have seen my students go from failing to acing PT by applying these simple techniques, and you can also do it. So let's recap the 4 keys. Master the art of prediction. You can anticipate your answers. Second thing is to take smart notes, not just simple notes. Third is you have to stay precise. Not only what is relevant, avoid everything else. And last but not the least is to stay focused. These are the 4 keys to dominate PT listening. Trust me, these are not just simple vague strategies. They are really proven strategies. Just work on them, apply on your PT listening with some practice and see the results. If you have found this helpful, then hit the subscribe button because in my next video, I have given reading fill in the blank strategy where most of the students struggle. In this video, I'll be telling you the simple tips and the exact method which my students use and they have boosted their scores in reading fill in the blanks. I hope you won't want to miss it. So if you have any questions, you can write me in comment or you want video on any specific topic, you can write in the comment box.